to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today, it's been a long time since I've done like a wig review, so I am going to be showing you this wig that I'm wearing right now from Afsister Wig, and they actually sent this to me. This is their Swiss 16-inch straight hair, I would say, and I put it on and I did like messy beach curls with some messy curly baby hairs just because. So if you guys want to see my little attempt at installing this and achieving this, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. I guess. Wait, no, I messed up. I used the got2b glue gel. What is this? Yeah, I used the got2b glue, and then I sprayed the got2b freeze spray on top of each other, sort of, and I put the wig on. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what it looks like. It's been a while since I wore a wig, so I don't know if I remember how to do it. So here is where the lace is. I have the lace right here. Here I cut it somewhat, and we got this. I'm using some wipes, a little bit of alcohol to wipe the excess got2b off, and this is what we have so far. So you can really tell that the hair was, so that the lace is right here. If you can see it, it blends in so well. I can't, like, it's amazing because I cut right here, so you can't really tell me like this is not my hair, you know what I mean? Like, anyway, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna cut the other side, and I'm gonna come back. I am a little bit rusty with the got2b because it's been a while since I put on a wig, but we're gonna try to do those wispy baby hairs and see. Since I'm gonna try to do these long baby hairs, I'm just gonna take this, cut it like here where my eyebrow stops, like a little bit. Ta-da! For now, yes, we look crazy, but we're gonna fix it. Just so. I'm going on with my flat iron, and we're gonna just flat these bad boys. My fault. So I'm using my nice flat iron, and so far, you guys see, it's looking a little bit okay. We haven't really put in no powder. The knots are not bleached on this unit. And I'm loving it. I know, it's so nice. So my flat iron is actually already hot. So I'm taking little sections, and I'm just gonna twist them upwards. Where is it? To do the curly. Okay. We're just gonna flat iron away from the face, like this. And I've been seeing this, and I like always wanted to try it. So since I got this wig, I was like, let me try it. And we're gonna just keep twirling it like so. And I think these are too long actually, so we might have to go cut a little bit off. We're gonna do crazy messy edges, okay? So these are actually looking too long, but yeah. So sure you curl it extremely, extremely curl. Okay, turn it. Yes, you can double curl it if you want. Make sure you don't burn yourself. Don't be like me, because I burn myself all the time. And now we have this. So I'm gonna see if I think it's too long when I do it. It's a little bit long, so what I'm gonna do, let's just let it go. This, yeah. So we're gonna use some edge booster, and we're gonna just start doing your baby hairs, really, because this is so simple. You can make it shorter or longer, it's up to you. Me, I like longer because I want it messy. Well, I'm only focusing on the front part, and I want to try this. I don't know. Let's do it. I'm gonna keep doing my hair. Okay, so I just did my makeup, and I'm going to try to do my hair. I don't know what I want to do to it yet, but we're gonna figure it out together. Inside the box, it came with a little scrunchie, okay, a tweezer, and this elastic band, because you know, and then they also gave this gift where you can win $40, and I thought that was really cool. But also in here, there's different kinds of lace, so that we could compare the Swiss transparent and regular brown lace. I'm going to show you guys the difference, but you can already see the difference on my head right now. I didn't even apply the powder yet, so yeah. Okay, so I know this is gonna take a while to explain, but let me say this. So right now I have the Swiss lace and the regular brown medium lace right here in front of me, as you can see. I'm going to apply it on my skin and show you guys the difference without it being melted. Like here, this is the regular brown lace. You see how it's on my skin right now. Let's put some light into it because we want to see the bad boy. So this is what the regular brown lace look on my skin. It actually blends in pretty fine with me, but it's thicker. It's meaning that it's easier to see the grids, and also it's more durable, so most companies go for this one. Nothing's wrong with it, but compared to the Swiss lace, as you guys will see when I place it on right here, it's less visible with the grids and whatnot, and it's kind of giving me like transparent HD vibes. So it's not brown, and it takes color like really well. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put them side by side and melt it into my skin with some Gatsby spray. Oh jeez, it flew. So I'm gonna show you a side by side. Jeez. So we can see it melting and when it dries. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave it on here and I'm gonna apply the other one and we will see. Let's let it melt into the skin because, yeah. I'm gonna let this melt a little bit, like I'm gonna let it dry a little bit so I can show you guys how it looks. Like I sprayed it, and as you can see for me, like they're both kind of okay on my skin tone, but you can tell like right here this is more like seamless, and here you can see the grids more, if that makes sense. Maybe I should have used like over here, but as you can see it's melting better and it's less like it's there, like you know it's lace, but then again like it's not like the brown one where you can see it. But I think my skin tone actually goes well with both of them, so that's why I'm kind of like having trouble, where you can see that this Swiss is more melted because it's right here, it's melted into my skin, and this one of course it melts too, but it's so like, let me see if I can show you, because this is a weird spot that I put it on. It's harder to see, but you can see that this one is less noticeable than this one. So I would say honestly just go for the Swiss, because if you want more seamless, you know, if you want to catfish better, then go for the Swiss lace. But if you don't really care, just get regular lace. But it's way easier to blend and everything, like I kid you not. But yeah, so that's really it. Yeah, so the hair is nice, it's very pretty, and I really, you know, it's thinner. Like Swiss lace is thinner and it's softer, it's lightweight, and it's durable, but like I said, the regular lace is more durable. So if you have like an everyday wig where you gonna go to the gym, blah blah blah, like use the regular brown lace. But if you wanna like go out to a party or something special, or I don't know how to explain it, if you just, you know, catfish crazy, just use the Swiss. Nobody will know. Nobody's going to know. And I didn't even put powder on it. That's how I wanted to really show you guys. Like, nobody's gonna know. So, so yeah. So my baby hairs are kind of like all over the place, but I don't care. I look cute. I love this hair actually, and it's soft. It's so soft, and yeah. So anyway, that is really it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was informative somehow. I tried, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.